welcome everyone to OOP class. Today we are going to talk about
Persistence. Persistence in the context of MVC refers to how that store and retrieve in the application. In the MVC pattern, the model layer is responsible for this stack. The model has this stack using these to interaction with the database. Controls and services manipulate that the model. In summary, the model manages how data is saved and retrieved, while the other components use user interaction and information presentation.
MVC is a software architecture pattern which separates the data and mainly the business logic of the application from its representation and the model in the change of managing events and communications. In this graphic have three principles. For example, packagings have Vista, controller, and model. In Vista is encarged to receive action that usuary notify the change in all the things have necessary to see the user. Controller is encarged the communication Vista with model. Model have instructions for manipulate the dates of have input by Vista and send the controller to model. Model have all the logic, the business logic for the program.
model views controller. The definition. In the software design parent for program, the process separate the code of the program by their different responsibility. Present the model inform business logic in format subtle interaction user interface. Responsibility present in the information the user and display the graphic interface and includes components such as the button text, flame, table, etc. The view is possible not from the data manipulation, user interaction, capture, action, passing the control, and process views don't perform the views film data. Model is the present information with the system operation but information recaps on the below. The model view y controller.
Is the model view controller MVC architecture is a way that using the same pattern in the software development. The organization and structure code in an application. You are here are the main characteristics of the MVC architecture. One is separation of concerns. Model has data representation and business logic, manages data manipulation and applied logic. View responsibility for representing the user interface, display information to the user and receives user interactions. Controller manages user interaction and updates both the model and the view accordingly. Acts as an intermediary between the model and the view. The coupling The separation of responsibilities in model, view, and control allows for low coupling between components. Thus, this facilitates change in on part of the system without affecting others. Code reusability. Due to the separation of responsibility in MVC architecture, components are more modularized and thus more easily reusable in different parts of the application or independent projects. Facilitates concurrent development. Different teams or developers can do work in parallel and of different layers of the architecture while iterating while each author, for example, a designer can work on the user interface view while business logic developers work on the model and control. Facility testing, scalability, MVC. MVC architecture facilitates the scalability of an application in the workload increases. It's possible to scale change on layer without affecting the orders. Facilitating maintenance. Do modular organization and separation of responsibilities, maintaining and evolving the application is more manageable. Change is a business logic model show no directly affects user interface. Adaptability and flexibility allow change in the user interface while to affecting the underlying logic and the voice bars. This makes the MVC architecture flexible and adaptable to change in application requirements. The MVC architecture has been used in various used in development environments from web application to Spoke application because it is a benefit in terms of maintenance, scalability, and flexibility.
Firebase Real-Time Database. Firebase, Firebase Real-Time Database is a cloud-hosted real-time database service. It allows real-time data to be stored and synchronized between application clients, meaning that changes made by one client are automatically reflected in all other connected clients. Main features: NoSQL. Firebase Real-Time Database is a NoSQL database based on JSON documents. Real-time synchronization. Changes in the database are automatically synchronized with all connected clients in real time. Security access. Security rules can be applied to ensure that only authorized users can read or read data.
See you later.